After coming out of Minnie's house, Jungkook was driving while being lost in his thoughts. He and Vime was sitting beside him while looking at him continuously. She knew it was hard for him to get over with it. All time he was hating Sarah, but in reality she was innocent. But before he could confront her, she came into the car accident and lost her life. Vine was looking at him when suddenly she looked outside the window and frowned because it was not the way back to home. She looked at Jungkook, who was driving lost in his thoughts. Before she could ask him, she looked at front and saw a truck coming in opposite direction. Vine Jungkook looked out, but he didn't listen, and Vine held his steering and moved it to the right, making him come out of his world. He gulped and looked at Vine, who was looking at him confused. Jungkook, sorry, I was lost. Vine didn't say anything, just observed him, but after a few seconds, she said, we are going in wrong direction. It's not the way back to home. Jungkook looked at her for a second and said, we are going somewhere else. Vine frowned and said where, but he didn't reply, and soon her wait was over, and Jungkook came out of the car, and she followed him in confusion. She put her hand on his shoulder, making him look at her. She saw how his eyes were red. One, I know you can't change the time, and you have done wrong for doubting her. And just because of that, Minnie. Just like you, she was also at the fault for destroying someone's life like that. I'm not going to quit comforting Jungkook, but I hope Sarah forgives you. Jungkook looked at Violet and said while crying, she didn't even knew I was doubting her. At first I didn't believe Minnie, but when she showed me that pictures, my emotion took over me. I was about to confront her that day, but before that she got into the car accident. Fine, I know Jungkook, your mom told me everything. Jungkook wiped his tears and looked at the grave and whispered, do you think she will forgive me? Van looked at him. She didn't know what to say. Van, I don't know Jungkook, but I know one thing that if you are regretting, then you should make that culprit regret also. Jungkook, you are right. At least I will be able to face myself after making her regret. And as far as it's about me, then my biggest regret is to live my life with the thought that I had hurted that innocent soul. Jungkook and Vine spent some time there, but then they stood up and left from there. Jungkook came and sat beside her. Jungwoo was in his lap. He looked at her and she knew something was coming. But no one can change the fact that the real culprit was me who didn't trust his own wife. Vine looked at him but didn't say anything because she knew he was at the fault too. Jungkook. Vine, I have done a mistake not trusting her, but I was about to repeat it again if you wouldn't have opened my mind. I'm sorry, Vine, for what I said that night, but trust me, just in one day I knew you were not after my money and you loved Jungwoo with your pure heart. And from that day I tried to give you a place in my life. Jungkook knew that she was right. It's not easy to forget all that, but one thing was the mistake he did in past. He won't repeat that at any cost, and he will do everything to gain her trust. 1 month was past, and there was not even a single day Jungkook didn't try to win her heart. After 1 month, Vine was in living area watching TV when Jungkook came back from office. He forwarded the flowers towards her and she took them and put them beside her without looking at him because he bought them daily. He shook his head and sat on floor and picked Jungkook. Vine took a glance at him and he said, "It's been 1 month, still you won't give me a chance. You know that I can do anything for you." Vine, yes, go and do the dishes first. Jungkook, you know you own my heart. Vine, heart, mind and floor, vacuum all of them. After 4 years, Jungwoo and Jungkook both were standing at the side looking at Wine, who was arguing with Jungwoo's bully and his mom and dad. Wine, listen, Katie, if you bullied her again, then I won't leave your mom. I will bully her. Got it? Don't talk to my kid like that. When I will talk to them like I want to. Maybe you should listen too. Jungkook went towards them and called Wine word. He gulped and said, taking her attention. The story was still the same. Sometimes he thinks she had forgiven him, but sometimes he thinks he have to work more. In between, Jungkook was growing up and his flops were getting them together. The end. Subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos.